Hey guys, so quick video for you if you're looking for a way how you can crossplay on Destiny 2. So for anyone wondering how to do crossplay, open Destiny 2 on the PC, sign in on the account that you will be playing console, but don't log into any character. Then you log into your character on your console. Now your Steam friends can see you're on their friends list and join on now. Now you're playing crossplay. So that's what you want to do. And that's how it's done. Also, someone wrote here, you can by simply adding them using a Bungie ID, not a PCN. So try to find it and add them or let them add you. And that's what you want to do. And how it works. So yeah. Thank you very much for watching. Hope this video helped you and have a great day and goodbye.